In this guided inquiry, we will explore what properties you can use to identify minerals. Minerals are classified by their physical properties. Some of the properties used for classifying minerals are color, hardness, and luster. Here are the materials each group of students will need for this investigation: 6 mineral samples, rose quartz, calcite, feldspar, mica, hornblende, and pyrite, a hand lens, and a streak plate. Label each sample with the correct letter. Don't mix up the samples. Put a spot of white correction fluid on each sample. On the sample of feldspar, write the letter A on the white spot with a fine point permanent black marker. Label the calcite B, the hornblende C, the pyrite D, the rose quartz E, and the mica F. Don't let students see the names of the samples, since it will be their job to identify them by using the table of observed properties and table of diagnostic properties. Now you're ready to explain what to do. Step 1. Use a hand lens. Observe the properties of each mineral. Step 2. Take mineral A. Look at it and record its color in your table of observed properties. Then record its luster. Help students identify the luster of a sample as glassy or metallic. If possible, show them other samples of minerals as examples. Step 3. Rub mineral A across the streak plate. Record the color of the streak. Explain that the color of the streak may not be the color of the sample, but it is the color of the powdered mineral. Put the streak plate on the table while you're testing. Step 4. Compare the hardness of mineral A and mineral F. The hardness scale ranks minerals from 1 to 10. The softest is 1. The hardest is 10. Scratch mineral A against mineral F. A harder mineral will scratch a softer one. Which is harder? Does your result agree with the numbers on the table of observed properties? Before students try the scratch test, point out that the powder that rubs off a soft mineral may look like a scratch on the harder mineral. Tell students to rub the scratch to see if the powder comes off. A real scratch can be felt with a fingernail. Step 5. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for minerals B through F. You don't need to test the hardness of minerals B through F. Record your observations about minerals B through F in the table of observed properties. After you've completed this chart, look at your observations and compare them with the table of diagnostic properties. Identify each mineral. Students should identify mineral samples using their observations and the properties in the table of diagnostic properties. They will find the following. Mineral A is feldspar. Mineral B is calcite. Mineral C is hornblende. Mineral D is pyrite. Mineral E is rose quartz. And mineral F is mica. How could you test the hardness of the minerals by scratching them with different objects? Make a plan to investigate this or other questions about minerals, using this activity as a model for the guided inquiry approach.